Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your travel points with Marriott Bonvoy step by step clearly. To begin transferring your travel points with Marriott Bonvoy, log into your Marriott Bonvoy account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section of the website or app. Look for the Points tab, which typically appears in the menu. Click on Transfer Points to start the process. Review the list of partner loyalty programs available for point transfers. Select the program you wish to transfer your Marriott points to. Enter your desired transfer amount in the specified field. Be aware of the transfer ratios for different partner programs, as they may vary. Double-check your entry to ensure accuracy. Next, confirm that your selected loyalty account information is correct. Proceed by clicking the Transfer button, which initiates the transfer request. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Once verified, your transfer request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of the transfer request. Please note that transfer times may vary depending on the partner program. After the transfer is complete, log into your partner account to confirm the points have been credited. If there are any issues or delays, contact Marriott Bonvoy customer service for assistance. That's it. You have successfully transferred your travel points using Marriott Bonvoy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.